Hi.
Hi.
Namaskar.
Where is the energy? What the fuck was that? Sad ass little hi.
Welcome to Impropaganda.
Podcast.
We are so happy to be here.
Ecstatic.
Delighted.
Over the moon.
Ecstatic has already been said. What are the other adjectives that can describe our current state?
What's an adjective?
Give us a English 2.0 version of describing word.
Yeah,
Man, I'm mad stack right now.
it's gas.
I'm
Gassed.
gassed.
Stoked.
नहीं मैंने बहुत देर से नहीं खाया राजमा चावल. Okay. good.
राजमा चावल? अच्छा gas नहीं हुई.
गैस. और चीजों से भी होता है गैस.
Mm.
पंजाबियों को सिर्फ राजमा चावल से नहीं होता गैस.
Let's get going. All gas, no brakes.
Dirty rumor.
Mm.
So speaking of gas and like Jews, what's up, bro?
Speaking of Jews, you could have just said speaking of Jews.
Sure, but from gas to
Yeah.
Yeah. Therefore, it's for people like me who wouldn't have understood otherwise. You know, थोड़ी
That.
hand holding चाहिए होती है हम लोगों को.
that.
Joke समझने के लिए. He's just catering to me.
Right.
Left.
What's new? How was what's new? We all saw Furiosa.
Yeah.
Mm. Fucking some that's some
Mad
good
Max
shit.
Foodie Dosa. I loved it.
Mm.
Tasty.
It was fun.
Yeah.
A little more.
I voted since last.
Oh right, I forgot about this.
Same.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's how it.
No,
No. Wow.
I don't.
Guys, if you like
What a
voting,
bitch.
why don't you vote on whether these are good videos? Just thumbs up or thumbs down. Try voting.
You're talking to me or who? are you
I'm talking about to the audience.
Make
Audience.
some eye contact, bro.
Talk to the audience.
We are past 100 subscribers now. We are responsible to a huge fan base.
I mean, now people are watching. So
Yeah.
Mm. People you know say that they're watching it.
some people
Is
have.
that what it is? Yeah, I know for sure. No, one of the interns who works here.
So ask for
Nice.
feedback, nah. We need feedback.
He didn't give any feedback.
He,
I
like,
mean, even my
asked for
nephew said that he's been enjoying it.
ये क्या होता है? That's
That's
all
good,
gonna-
na?
useless.
What the
all
fuck?
gonna-
Information.
एक बात बता.
Bro.
तू ये feedback लेके तेरी like to me, this is not what.
How receptive are you to
Dude,
feedback?
this what do you think this is?
I just want to see what people think.
हेडफोन पहने तूने आज तक?
तो उससे क्या लेना देना है?
वो फीडबैक है. वो तेरा फर्स्ट और लास्ट फीडबैक है.
Who you are giving me feedback? I should wear headphones.
Yes.
No, you're wrong.
We all have.
Go get some.
Okay, so now if a fan says, I have 4.
Where are
I'm
you?
not.
You
I
have
haven't
nothing in
worn them since.
Also, put something in them and then put your headphones on.
I haven't
See how
worn,
you feel.
I haven't worn them for a while. But yeah.
Haven't worn what? Headphones.
Piercings.
I also don't wear
Piercings,
headphones.
right.
I'm a earphones guy. Get me earphones, I'll wear them.
No, but so these go over the thing. But I get
Yeah.
it. I can imagine that there's some discomfort.
Yeah, and I just like
Proceed.
earphones, bro. Because I
अबे,
have hair
अगर
on my
तेरा
head.
वो कान का बहाना नहीं होता तो तेरे बाल का बहाना होता. फिर
तो
कभी बोलता
वही
कि
तो मैं
मेरे
कह रहा-
फाउंडेशन यहाँ पीछे मेरे लगाया,
Actually,
मेरा
yes.
कंसीलर लग जाएगा, मेरे ये तो कैन टू बिग, मेरे ये हो जाएगा. ओ भाई.
You just don't want them. You think they ruin your vibe.
I'm giving you the reasons why I don't want them.
I know.
Terrible reasons.
I'm telling you that at any solution you propose to one reason, there's going to be other reasons.
So he
It's a never-ending
essentially.
string of reasons.
if
He
I
doesn't want
underst-
to wear the headphones.
How does it matter if I'm wearing the
It
headphones?
doesn't.
I
don't
hear
even,
you.
I don't even give a fuck.
I can hear you.
He brought it up. I'm
I
just
just
saying.
brought it as a point of
Yeah.
feedback.
Yeah, it's not like we're sitting in a different room. You're
if I
right in
un-
front of me. I can hear you clearly.
वैसे साला इतना चिढ़ता है कि मैंने 3 कुर्सियां सेम क्यों नहीं लगाई?
नहीं,
Why aren't they the same order?
it's not. The problem is not that they're not the
with
same.
the headphone symmetry. What's
It
up with
could-
that?
Just put me in the middle. Put this chair in the middle. Then we have
want
two
symmetry.
swivel chairs on the side. Then one in that
But,
doesn't swivel in the middle. But now I'm in the side, which makes no sense. Everything is out of order here.
But you like your face angle as it is on the podcast.
I
No,
forget
now if you sit here, that's going to
I
change.
forget
How will
that
you
this
do
My
is
this?
face
serious.
angle is beautiful from every angle, bro. What the fuck
I
do you
agree.
mean? I don't give a fuck about some angle.
Fucking angle, man.
I don't get your angle for making this point.
Whoa.
Mr. Pythagoras here.
Anyway,
Mr. Pythagoras? Oh, right, angles. Right on. Pythagoras is how I would have. I was a little confused.
Yeah, I know there's a-
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras.
हमारी स्कूल की टीचर तो Pythagoras बोलती थी.
Yeah, they were a good bunch, huh?
Yeah,
They knew what the fuck they were doing.
all the time.
We all,
Every subject, every teacher ever.
yeah,
Yeah, I learned so much math.
yeah, for sure, dude.
From my tuition teachers.
Yeah, same. I spent more time in tuitions than in school, bro.
Facts.
स्कूल तो मैं लिटरली सोने जाता था और बकचोदी करने जाता था और पढ़ाई फिर ट्यूशन में करता था जितनी थोड़ी बहुत करता था.
Yeah.
मैं तो ट्यूशन भी भंडो के आता था. What the fuck are you saying?
हाँ बट
तो
पढ़ाई
हाँ,
करने मतलब मैं
But
वहाँ
पढ़ तो
fucking-
सकते थे फिर
वहाँ
भी.
पे it was like more fewer people or one on
I'll
one
tell
ना
you,
so it was
The
like
only, well, because I had humanities, the only tuition
देखो
that
ट्यूशन किस
actually,
चीज की चाहिए
no,
थी.
economics,
Oh right.
economics and pol science. No, pol science? I don't have pol science. What the fuck else was it? It was math for...
किसी और की memories है.
नहीं, actually मैंने 11th में math की थी क्योंकि मैंने 11th में math ली थी. Yes. And
What?
so I took math in 11th, okay.
What the
And,
fuck? I
and
didn't know this.
for the first two Monday tests, I got like 32 out of 40, which is 80%.
So
Okay.
you got false confidence कि ये I can do
हाँ,
math.
half yearly में मेरे 32 out of 80 आ गए. 32 out of 100, sorry, or something. No, 28 out of
That's
100.
failing, yeah.
Yeah, so then she was like, it's only a matter of 4 points. I'll give you the marks and you'll be passed. Or do you want to take the retest? And then I was like, I'll take the re-exam, man. I'll do better this
Oh
time. I'll
my-
pass.
Oh my
Bro,
god.
why would you?
And I got even worse. And I
Idiot.
got
Even worse.
sorry. Now I remember correctly. 32 आए थे. उसने बोला एक मार्क तुमको दे दूंगी. मैंने बोला कि नहीं मैं retest लूंगा. Retest में 28.
28 है.
Yes, that's what happened.
Well done. So then final score क्या लगा
So
तेरा?
then finally I switched to sociology.
Final score क्या लगा? 32 लगा कि 28
Who
लगा?
cares? I switched to sociology. It doesn't count. Who gives a
Yeah,
fuck?
okay,
I don't
fine.
remember.
You learned your lesson.
Yeah.
Yeah, I failed eco in class 11.
अरे you
But I
know,
kept it in
Eco
class.
I was great at. I got like
But I
89 or something in the boards also.
Okay, no. I got what did I get in the boards? 80 or 78.
Hmm.
Which was okay in the end, but I failed in class 11. Maths तो मेरा भाई गजब. Maths मेरे कभी 20% से ज़्यादा आए नहीं किसी एग्जाम में स्कूल
Yeah.
के टाइम, and I kept it for 11th and 12th. I had
That's
commerce with
nuts.
maths, so I wanted commerce with psychology actually. And
Right.
at that time, they weren't that fluid. They weren't allowing all these combinations. I was
Yeah.
the only. My mom even wrote a letter to the psychology, that Vitika Rahul,
Yes.
somebody, and she asked her, can we do it? She says, no, we're not going to accommodate the one kid who wants to do it. This, that, whatever. You can't take psychology as a 6th subject. Also, we don't allow that. Some practical component, something. They need to. So then I took PE as a 6th subject, or anyway, which was good.
Where's the story going? Why did you fucking just go from
Maths.
maths to your PE to your maths?
Right,
Sorry.
diary entry,
Yeah, what
bro.
the
What the fuck was that
मेरे को
diary
ABCD
entry?
है ना थोड़ा, I guess.
I don't care.
Yeah, exactly.
That was so
Right, maths.
pointless.
Maths board. मैंने 100 मार्क के पेपर में से I attempted 29 marks. तो मुझे पता था कि लग चुके हैं लौड़े. So then
तू 3 साल अपना चूतिया काट रहा है कि क्या? Because बाकी दुनिया को तो पता है. I mean, what the fuck are you trying to do, man? Just quit.
नहीं वो तो हो गया ना एंड में लॉ में जाके.
So then how did you pass the boards?
सुन ना, तो मैं
I'm
कंपार्ट.
pretty sure commerce without math is an option, is it not?
हाँ but
Yes.
Yeah, so what the anyway.
So how did you pass?
that's what. उस साल we got one of those IIT papers. You know, every second year people are bitching about oh maths का बड़ा tough है, सिर्फ science वाले कर सकते
वो तो हमेशा बोलते थे. मैं तो हर बार बाहर निकल के यही सोचा कि बहुत टफ था.
Was that तो in our year apparently that was true. So बहुत सारी grace marking हुई. And मैं तो भाई I was preparing for the re-exam, the compartment. मैं 2 क्लास ट्यूशन की भी ले चुका था अपने बैच टीचर के साथ. फिर बोर्ड के रिजल्ट आए 56.
The answer is they passed him. The answer is that. He has to you know,
बहुत
पूरी
टफ आया था.
राम कथा सुनाएगा पूरी. बस बोल दे they passed you. That's
एक
it.
स्टोरी ना सुनाओ.
नहीं.
ये बैठ कर लौटा सुनाता रहे स्टोरी. मैंने सुना भाई.
मेरी स्टोरी में like
There's got to be some sauce. There's got to be some masala in the story.
yeah.
मेरा बचपन.
Fuck off.
You
Do it under music.
You
तू
can't
एक काम
just
कर,
decide
गिटार
some
लेके
fucking vanilla
सुनाइए.
as
कहानी लिख.
childhood cards.
तू ना कहाँ वो कविता लिखो.
कौन है वो?
हैं?
मुझे ही मिलना है.
तेरे को क्यों मिलना है बस? तू अपने काम से
मेरे
काम
लिए
रहा.
कुछ तो छोड़ दे
कविता
भाई.
मेरी हो गई है. अब
मेरे
तुझे
को-
कविता से भी मिलना है. क्या है?
मेरे लिए कुछ छोड़ दे भाई. तू इतना बड़ा स्टार्ट है. हर बंदी इसके पीछे पे आप
तू
अजीब.
डूब रहा है. देख तू डूब रहा है वो प्यासे.
Oh, he's a musician. Wow. Oh, you're so tall. I forgot how tall you were, man. I used to see you. I'm so sick of it, bro. I'm so over it.
What the fuck? Why are you comparing yourself with him, man?
Because
Comparison is the thief of
after
joy.
girls talk to me, they're like, "What's wrong? What's his problem?" You know what I mean?
Right. Huh. But
And
that's
he gets fucking. Oh, this guy's so dreamy. What is he say? fucking dream boy.
Yeah.
Fuck off, man.
So some girls like a fixer upper. No, I'll fix him.
Life-
They see this retard something around.
Dysfunctional
They're like,
sympathy
"Hey, oh,
whore.
I'm gonna be the secret sauce. I'm gonna
Yeah.
bring it.
Buddy,
out.
I'm a construction site. Like,
Yeah.
I'm so ripe with potential.
Yeah. Some of these bitches like a project.
Ripe in potential is crazy.
Khali plot hai na.
Rife with potential बोलते हैं ना. Ripe in potential थोड़ा ना बोलते हैं.
Ripe with bola मैंने.
That's what I'm saying. It's wrong. Rife with बोलते हैं.
नहीं राइफ मीनिंग उल्टा हो गया ना फिर राइफ
Is it? Don't they say rife with potential?
how does it matter what they say what I say
He's gonna
what
it matters. He's gonna
what
check.
he said is what matters
He's gonna fucking
Where's
look
my
at
phone?
feeling of his.
he will
fucking-
google is his fucking
Yeah, yeah,
daddy
but-
who cares what they say
He does.
It's English.
I'm not them
Literally, he does.
my pronouns are he
You
him.
don't. But you don't
They're
know
not
English.
like
No,
us.
you don't. Yeah.
they're not like us they're not like us Dude, that's
Yeah.
what
They
it
they
literally is.
they a bunch of drakes.
you were saying ki that song will fall off this that
I
not
didn't say
Kendrick.
any of that will fall off. I just said it's
you
not.
said people will not
Literally-
I said the end.
Literally,
won't have an
literally,
impact.
some people say ripe with, where traditional speakers would say rife with. Rife meaning abundant was originally a word.
who cares bro
So clearly they're both right.
I'm just clarifying.
Doesn't
No,
matter.
no, it's good to know. I
Yeah,
like
exactly,
I like
yeah.
language. I
Fucking
appreciate.
pointless language is whatever you make of it bro just you can mix and match
Boo boo
Yeah, we
gaga
are-
baba baba.
that's how language was created by the way
So that's
Some
just
motherfucker said
that's just
boo-boo
called jazz scatting.
Yeah, I don't know if you realize how language was created. Somebody looked at a cow and said boo 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 boo, and that became the term for a cow. Fucking idiots.
Who calls a cow a boo boo baba?
Could have been that. Could have been the case.
I'm gassed.
Yeah, so that's how words are created.
Pudin hara khala.
You can add meaning. You guys are so dumb. You call me the stupid one while this guy's babbling for the last 2 minutes.
That's why.
I'm the stupid one, right?
Yeah, totally. Yes, you
Fucking
are.
ridiculous.
Actually, there's two of you. There's dumb and
Yeah, and you're the one babbling
there's
for the last 30 seconds.
He just says
The
इसको बस
smartest guy in the
नहीं
room.
नहीं ये बहुत smart है इसको बस दौरे पड़ते हैं.
What is wrong with you? No, now everyone can't start. Otherwise, I will also start. If one of you
You
babies
will
cry,
But we are communicating.
if
isn't
you
it?
start crying,
it's
I'll start
language.
crying.
No.
Yeah, but that's how language was created. Yeah, okay. अच्छा, back
Googly
goes.
googly बोल रहा तू.
Googly
Moving
तो
on.
वो होती है. Spin ball.
Yeah, moving on.
From
Moving
spin
on.
bowling for
Come
sure.
up with your own joke. Don't fucking repeat mine. Fuck off.
I'm not a spin bowler.
I'm coming at
Fast
him for
bowler.
babbling.
What happened to yes anding?
Actually, you know, bro. तू
I'm
बात
just
में
fucking-
stick to babbling. I think you're funnier
हाँ.
when you're babbling.
तू क्या कह रहा था कुछ? Ravi Kishan?
नहीं मैं कह रहा था nothing यार.
You started off with something.
I was just saying कि I'm not a spin bowler. I'm a fast bowler.
Right.
We know this.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Really, she called you a fast bowler. What the hell did she do that for?
Fast bowler? I don't get the euphemism
It
here.
was just that
Okay.
I'm fast.
Uh-huh. Oh, right.
You
on.
mean you go down the pitch in 2 seconds and you're done?
Why? Just if you don't get it, just move on.
We established it did not work.
Yeah.
What do you think about, like, sometimes you have probably come across this in adult entertainment when a dude is stuffing their balls in one of those things, right?
No.
Nice move on.
you never
I
seen
like
that?
this. Sure.
I've
This
not-
is great.
You never seen that?
Never seen that.
I'm wondering what's up with that.
I've seen 2 girls, 1 cup though.
No, but this is like a
They're stuffing what in their balls?
huh?
They're stuffing what in their balls?
Balls. या तो बुंड में जा रहे हैं या फिर चूत में जा रहे हैं.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay, okay.
बुंड में actually anyway.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen that.
Interesting. I was just wondering why people would, but I guess I get it because it is supposed, like, it's the
Guess who's gonna
hardcore
search balls in butt tonight?
balls in butt.
You?
Yeah,
Yeah, well done.
Good
Have
guess.
fun with that.
I'll try. We'll figure it out.
Can we narrate that poem that your friend had shared?
भाई poem सुना दे poem.
नहीं.
नहीं?
नहीं.
But I'm still not sure who it is who wrote it actually. I don't know.
Honda.
अच्छा yeah, he,
Yeah.
That's why you don't save me.
You didn't even get the whole thing.
because समझ नहीं आया. I was like,
So you didn't even understand the meme I sent.
कुछ समझ नहीं आया. I
GIF.
totally tuned
Is
out.
it GIF or GIF?
We literally had a whole conversation.
GIF.
उसको गाड़, अपने आप को मत गाड़, तुझे गाड़ दूँ.
हाँ
Yeah, he
वो
did-
मैंने
he
उसमें
did.
आगे contribute करा कि तुझ में गाड़ दूँ. But that's fine.
Yeah.
But like
मतलब he just saw one conversation की बाकी चूत. Let me find one line जहाँ पे मैं कुछ
I
शील
couldn't
बना दूँ.
understand the yes.
Yeah.
That's literally my job.
तो पूछ क्यों रहा है बाद में?
Because I was clarifying for my own benefit.
Hmm.
Because I thought it would be interesting content to narrate.
Yeah.
Well, lucky he has us to clarify we are friends with benefits.
Ball pencil.
Yeah. I was driving in that app. You can read it if you want.
तेरी शादी के
तू सुना.
It doesn't even make
सुना, सुना.
sense to me. Should I?
थोड़ा शायराना अंदाज में सुना दे भाई.
अच्छा तो
अपने अंदरूनी
Dude,
सूफी
this
को
is so
निकाल.
dumb. Why would I read this out? Doesn't even make any sense.
Same reason you
No,
sent her in the
because
group.
Think about it this way. Think about it this way. When you read it out, and it's a friend of yours who's written it,
I also
he
made
would
my-
appear dumber than you are, and in that makes you stand up higher in the eyes of the audience.
Yeah.
Or you could tell him you love him, you're immortalizing him on the podcast. Whatever.
नहीं वो ऐसा ही है. I'm not gonna read it out.
मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ.
हाँ?
मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ.
नहीं.
क्यों?
छोड़ दो.
क्यों? Copyright.
तू अपने chats पढ़.
मेरे chat नहीं है यार. It's a poem.
वो एक्चुअली हमारे चैट पे तूने हमारे चैट पे भेजा है तो वो अपना चैट पढ़ के भी सुना सकता है.
हाँ तो तुम सुना दो.
That's actually correct.
The payoff for this will not be great.
Oh, we're aware.
Yeah.
Payoff for this will not be great.
Yeah, go for it.
What do you mean by that?
I mean,
He means, oh, ये बहुत लंबा है. It doesn't.
and it
It's
doesn't
not
even
too
make any sense.
exciting.
It's not
That's
even,
what
it
he
doesn't even
said.
make any sense.
Well, we are here to make sense, aren't we? Generally, that's our
I'm the only one who
mandate.
talks sense on this podcast.
Right. That makes sense.
Yeah.
I agree.
That makes sense.
Sure, that too.
Yeah.
Might as well say anything now.
T20 start होने वाला है. World Cup
When?
next month I think.
Champions League final is happening on Sunday.
Oh, is it? I think Dortmund will win.
I hope Dortmund will win, but I
Who else
think
will
Madrid will win.
No, you're wrong.
Madrid have been.
अच्छा सट्टा bet लगाते हैं.
नहीं.
What do you mean नहीं? If you're not.
I am a Barcelona fan. I'm never in my life going to bet on
So
Madrid.
let's
winning.
bet, bro. It's a Champions League final. You're not gonna bet.
No, I don't bet.
Bet me something.
I don't bet. We already have a bet that we're going to do next podcast. So
Right, but I want another bet.
that's your personal problem.
How the hell are you not gonna bet on a football match, bro? That's so dumb.
I've never. I watch football.
You watch football.
Anything
But
can
there are
happen
no
in a game.
stakes. What is even the point? Of
Anything can happen in a game of football. Are you telling me if you're not financially invested in anything, it's not worth doing?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's weird. I mean,
Bit
you
of a
only watch
hustler.
cricket to bet on it.
No, I've watched it to see Delhi win. But I don't. I like betting on it. I think it makes the whole experience better.
Interesting.
But when you watched it to see
Betting
Delhi
with my
play,
friends, not like betting online or.
Oh,
but when
right.
you watched it to see Delhi play, did you ever bet
Ah,
on
so
Delhi?
that's different then. That's
Did
I
you
bet
ever-
with my friends. Yes.
You bet? Okay.
that's fine. That's different. That's like your 100 rupees, 500 rupees, buy me a
Yeah,
drink,
it's just
whatever
like
the fuck.
asking.
Not like Drake put quarter
You know,
million
if I
on
ask you
fucking
who do you think is
IPL.
going to win, and you say fucking Barca will win, then there needs to be some fucking conviction behind what you say. Na? If you अगर कोई गूदा है तो भाई bet कर.
No, I don't want Real Madrid to win, but I just think it's more likely they'll win. I want Dortmund
So
to win. I
you
think
are-
Real will win.
You don't think anything if you can't fucking put some money behind it.
That's how thoughts work. Yes, you're right.
Anyway, so what are you doing?
He's quitting. Oh.
Okay, so I'll just get back to my stories because I think
All right, Premchand. Hit it.
I'm the host now.
Hit it, Premchand.
So basically T20 शुरू होने वाला है and हार्दिक को टीम से निकाल दिया है.
हाँ वो टट्टी है ना इसलिए IPL
नहीं,
season
I
में
mean,
उसने हगाया.
first of all, he's not 30, but he's had a pretty
form.
bad season. And his wife,
He's married?
yes, bro, he's married to some fucking Serbian, Russian, some girl.
Yeah, some Slav.
And now she is like, now he's in the dumps. He's not on the team. Everyone's hating on him. His IPL team came last,
Yeah.
that he's the captain for.
Mumbai, no?
So his wife decided कि now she wants a divorce.
Oh man.
And in India, with divorces, the way it works is if you're a female, you can fucking rob the dude of everything that he's worth.
Nice.
You know, and we have no discourse in the matter because there is no वो क्या होता है annulment नहीं वो prenuptial agreement.
Prenuptial नहीं होता इंडिया में, I think.
हाँ
हाँ,
तो
नहीं होता।
because there is no prenup, like and you know women are given preferential treatment in a divorce. Men are just fucked, and now he's going to lose everything. इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ
I doubt
लड़कों
he'll
शादी मत करो, बच के रहो.
I don't think इतना उसको
फंसोगे
होगा।
कोई
Don't marry a
फंसाएगी.
gold digging whore, bro.
या तो फंसोगे तुम.
Don't marry
बहुत
some
बुरी
Slav
तरह.
bitch. Yeah.
Yeah, but anyway, so here's what this is what my mom was telling me, that he apparently उसने अपनी ज़्यादातर like property अपने mom के नाम पे कर रखी है. ठीक है?
That's good.
Yeah. And this is my mom is explaining this story to me, by the way. My mom is the one telling me this.
She's got all
Giving
the
me
costs.
hints कि अगर तुम्हें शादी करनी तो सब कुछ मेरे नाम कर देना.
She's got all
शादी
the
करनी
costs.
तो-
ताकि जब when your dirty ass gets dumped, then you don't lose all your financial assets. मतलब तेरी mom का at least भरोसा तो है।
क्या भरोसा
तेरे
है
साथ
कि-
ऐसा
कि
होगा।
मेरा relationship टिकेगा नहीं.
हाँ
हाँ तो she knows me ना.
हाँ वही तो।
So that's why.
She trusts you, arguably.
हाँ तो होपफुली वो बच जाएगा बेचारा हार्दिक. मेरे को बहुत बुरा लग रहा है उसके लिए. आई फील फॉर हिम.
Bro, but look, he became a loser, so
We
then
both
the
come from
woman
the
dumped him.
streets. So did
end,
I,
of, end of story.
That is relatable, bro.
It's fucking so
Y'all
crazy.
came from the streets.
This is so funny. Dude, it's absolutely nuts.
Which streets, bro?
Dirt. I came from the dirt.
Dude, by the way, this story happens with a million other dudes, but you care about this fucker because he's just a cricketer that you know of. But this same thing
And I
happens with a lot
like
of people.
him. He's my favorite cricketer.
Yeah.
थोड़ा चूतिया सा तो
So
है.
it's not like a.
चूतिया से तो मैं भी हूँ ना. That's what I'm saying. It's all about I relate. The reason why Neymar is my
Name.
favorite.
I was just gonna say cricketers का Neymar है. हाँ.
Yeah, Neymar is my favorite football player. Also because he's very talented, but also because
So his career is over.
he fucking
Just like Hardik
threw it
Pandya.
away. He threw away the greatest talent the sport had seen in years. Just pissed it out. Yeah, in a fucking nightclub bathroom somewhere. Pissed
And
his
what
talent.
happened?
And always going to Brazil for his. He was
And
unnecessarily
kept
close
running
to
back
his sister.
Brazil. Yeah.
Unnecessarily close to his
Yeah, he
sister.
was,
Those pictures I've seen couples posing less intimately.
What happened? I don't even know what the deal with this
Neymar
fucker is.
was a
What this
fucking
guy-
child prodigy, meant to rival fucking,
Messi.
Messi meant to be the next fucking Ronaldinho. Like he was insane.
At Barca, he played with Messi 4 years. Killed it. Won everything.
Killed it. And then he got really like
Cocky. And he's like,
Yeah.
"Ki,
And he
I'm
did-
going
I
to be
mean,
above Messi. And
he deserved to be cocky, but he just didn't focus and like actually like improve himself.
His
He
move to
just-
PSG was the worst
in
thing he
fact-
could have done.
Yeah, and then now he just doesn't care. He just chasing the bag, like so.
He's in Saudi Arabia. He's been there for 8 months, but he hasn't played for 8 months because he's broken his ACL. So he's just sitting and eating
Also, he
millions.
gets injured a lot
Yeah, all the time because he doesn't look after his fitness. He goes out, he
because he
parties.
drinks and parties.
He
and
go
all that,
every
doesn't
month.
recover
Every
properly.
month, well, not every month, but like 4-5 times a year, he'll miss some important match, something because he's gone to Brazil to party with his sister. From France, he's gone to Brazil.
Yeah, so these
For a
kind of
weekend
these
to
kind of
party with his
players, na, I
sister.
love. Hardik Pandya की जैसे मेरे वो हैं, ये देख. My studs are like Pandya's. The fucking Rolex I want, the 31 is like Neymar's. So
Okay.
those are also reasons why I like them.
You also want to not be able to
Right.
walk for 8 months a year.
What?
These are
Like
the absolute.
Neymar.
By the way, these are the absolute worst reasons to like a sports person. But sure.
Dude, everyone
Yeah.
has their own reasons. What is a good reason to like a sports person? I
Excellence
like
in-
Charles
Something you
Leclerc.
aspire to.
Excellent. Yeah, just excellence.
Don't you mean that
Charles Leclerc?
Charles Leclerc.
There's only one There's only one criteria. Excellence. That's it.
So Lewis Hamilton is a
excellent.
sports person I like that is loved by everyone.
But I'm saying the Neymar reasons actually because he's
It's relatable.
yeah.
Neymar was loved for his excellence.
Mediocrity.
And then he
Yeah.
was excellent when he was good. But
Yeah,
then,
Sure,
actually, I
but
started
consistent-
liking Neymar since then.
but then
I just feel
Yeah.
for him.
you
with
don't
the-
sustain
with the,
if
you know.
you're a twat. You just
I just feel like if I was in their position and I had so much talent and found so much success at such
You
an
would
early
also
age,
fall
I
off
would be the
at
same.
the
I
age
would
of
be that guy.
27.
I would throw it all away. Luckily, I never got talent or success.
the world has been saved from Neymar Hussain.
Neymar Pandya.
Please relax yourself.
Hardik Hussain. Bro. That's
Yeah.
pretty
It's
good.
that what is it? At some level, it's imposter syndrome that makes you do that, right? Like you just don't think you deserve
Bootleg
this or
Pandya.
whatever, or you don't want to. Or I guess you just don't have the discipline to continue to be consistent. That's it. It's either one of those.
Damn, bro, that you're.
Really
just
going
I've
in
been
a-
pretty consistent in my life. I was making a joke. But yeah, I feel like
Neymar can kiss my ass.
I don't think you want that.
Huh?
I don't think you want that personally.
No, I'll do it for the lulz.
Oh,
I'll do
okay.
it for the content.
Fine.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
kiss your ass.
We'll make a t-shirt out of it.
और भी बहुत क्रेजी चीजें चल रही हैं पता है न्यूज में.
So now,
सो दिल्ली के एक अस्पताल में इन चिल्ड्रंस हॉस्पिटल देयर वाज अ फायर एंड लाइक a bunch of babies died. A lot of babies died actually because they had इतनी गर्मी है ना यहाँ पे, ऑक्सीजन के कैनिस्टर्स रखे थे or something, and probably some negligence issue, and then one after the other they exploded in Paschim Bihar only.
sorry, say that again. I totally zoned out somehow.
Zoned out, you're staring, looking me directly in my eye, not listening to a word I'm saying. How
I
is that
zoned out.
possible?
I absolutely
No,
did
I'm not
hear-
looking at you. Fuck off.
I didn't hear a single word.
I'm talking to you now.
Sanji, बोलो.
So you heard? Did you hear me? or-
Yes, I did.
So I don't need to
Paschim
repeat it.
Bihar hospital, babies died, explosion. Yes.
Yeah, so in Paschim Bihar, a bunch of babies died because the oxygen canister exploded, and a chain reaction, a bunch of oxygen canisters exploded after that.
Right.
And then, yeah, they arrested someone and shit. But
How
yeah,
many babies died?
look it up. I don't
Damn.
know. Original figure I saw
Hey,
was like 7.
ये तूने
How
क्यों
many
चूज
babies
किया
died?
इंक्लूड करने के लिए इस लाइट हार्टेड पॉडकास्ट पे यार? I mean, ये तो मौत हो गई यार बच्चों की. What the fuck यार?
Bro,
Dude, I'm just saying.
Fuck, man.
क्या माहौल ला रहे हैं
क्या
यार?
Oh my god, wait, hold on.
Sorry
Mauth.
guys.
Guys, welcome to मौत का मौसम.
Bubu gaga, bubu gaga, mama.
Oh, Gaza.
7, bro.
Rafa में the
So I'm just saying, like, now
But 7 is
he's-
a lucky number, so that's good, I guess.
yeah.
we should check the Rafa death count and maybe.
I guess that's how you sell it to the parents. Think about it this way: if there were 4 that had died, you would have been fucking, because
Yeah.
4 is
4 is
also
a Chinese number of death.
number of death.
Yes.
That's sad.
Oh, really? Is
7
4 a bad number?
7 in China. The number 4 in China sounds
Sounds like-
very much like the word for death.
The-
Oh, okay.
In
And their lucky number is 8.
Mandarin
right?
or Cantonese, whatever the fuck it is, some Chinese
Mandarin.
language. Yeah.
So and also their lucky number is 8. Like they think 8 is auspicious or something.
8 is considered stability. 8 is infinity, right? Time, something like
Yeah.
that. I mean, like,
Something like that.
Infinity.
infinity.
I love infinity.
Do they have the same numbers?
Who?
Chinese people probably have their own numbers, no? Sorry.
I mean,
It's their own.
You mean?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And that's like their own script for numbers. They probably their 8 doesn't probably look like an 8.
Obviously,
That we
जैसे
know.
हिंदी
This
में
is
भी तो हमारा
interesting.
अलग है.
This is
हाँ, तो
interesting,
मैं
I
वही तो
don't
पूछ रहा हूँ.
know.
So it might not be infinity, ना?
नहीं, math नहीं होता bro ये. Math
अच्छा,
में थोड़ा
in
होता
their
है.
math, our math is different.
There is no Chinese math. I've never seen Chinese characters in any.
वही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. Do
on
they have
any
their own
watch.
numbers or
So-
what?
So watch
So they
styles
use the
where you-
Hindu Arabic numerals like we do. Those are called
Are
the
you
Hindu
sure?
Arabic.
No, those are called
Chinese.
Arabic numerals. What we do, so these are
Yeah, bro,
Arabic
they have their
numerals.
own numerals, bro.
These are Arabic numerals. Hindu Arabic is what we have. जो हिंदी में जो our
अच्छा.
version is called Hindu Arabic
Okay.
Bro, they have their own. Look at this. They have their own script.
of numbers.
Yes, bro.
नहीं 1 2 तो है. Sorry, no.
No, buddy, it's not the script for the
That's the
number.
translation.
It's the spoken,
Fuck,
the
yeah.
oral. Yeah.
Chutiya.
So they just write. But we have it, na?
Well, you have a great head on your shoulders. I see you voted. Who did you vote for?
Who do you think, bro? I was in fucking Gurgaon. So
Answer the question.
BJP.
There we go.
What
Man
does Gurgaon
stuck to his
vote for?
word. He committed.
Dude, I have no other option. The other option was fucking Raj Babbar, Congress guy, and the third option was some rapper.
Elvish
Rapper
Yadav.
and-
No.
No, I wish I would have. But yeah, so and also, dude, look at Gurgaon now and compare it to how it was 10 years ago. And we always vote BJP, but I don't think they'll win all 10 seats in Haryana.
Bro, I showed up at the polling booth behind my house. School में था.
हाँ मेरा भी स्कूल में था।
एंड मैं सोच के गया था हाँ कांग्रेस को कर दूंगा, हाथ ऐसे दबा दूंगा, ठीक है।
आपको करेगा ना
सुन ना, मैं
कांग्रेस
मैं
को
दिमाग में गया, सुबह उठ के मैं ऐसे ही चला गया।
Wait, so you did hold on.
सुन,
इलेक्शन डे तक तूने सोचा नहीं था कि तू किसको वोट करेगा?
मुझे पता था ये, मुझे पता था पहले कि
कांग्रेस को
मुझे पहले पता था कि गठबंधन वो सीन है, तो आई वाज लाइक it's some seats they're standing from there.
This is why I don't participate in democracy because of
people like
idiots
him
like
are allowed to
you.
vote.
I've never voted and never will
Abbe.
because of idiots like
Dude,
you.
because what do you mean? You should vote because idiots like him are voting. You need
No,
to balance
but-
it out.
No, but
No, there's
in
no
its
way.
essence,
There's no way I need
because
to-
some seats they are standing, some seats they are standing. They won't stand against each other. It's that whole thing. That's why.
But you will just vote for your seat ना bro, Badrar.
हाँ, so then I went there. अब मैं देखा वो है ही नहीं, तो I'm like वो झाड़ू हुआ है, ये हुआ है। मैं पूछ रहा हूँ बंदे से क्यों भाई, and मैं सबके सामने पूछ रहा हूँ, वहाँ पे ऐसे लोग खड़े हैं मास्क के
While you are at the machine.
yeah, while I'm at the machine, and
भाई अजीब आदमी है।
people were looking so awkward because like they weren't expecting people to. I'm like अरे
बंदा
भैया
है।
हाथ नहीं दिख रहे यहाँ पे।
बंदा
He's
पागल
like
है।
अरे भैया जी झाड़ू दबा दीजिए ना, वो हाथ थोड़ी होगा जहाँ झाड़ू होगा। I'm like अरे हाँ भूल गए। He's like ठीक है okay. And I said भाजपा दबा, I said कमल दबा दूँ, and then we smiled each other and I said and we just,
Dude, that's so funny that you're making jokes out there. That's pretty funny.
yeah, it's, you don't vote so often, man. It's an experience.
It was very robotic for me. I was like, don't talk
Bro
to
मेरे
anybody.
को तो I
और मेरे को
forgot.
तो गर्मी भी लग रही थी बहुत ज्यादा.
I forgot to bring it today, but मेरे को तो जो आंटी सामने थी वो giving the forms and shit, she said आपकी मम्मी नहीं आ रही because she saw on the list also. I said no, she doesn't walk, this that whatever too much. कि अच्छा ये लीजिए आप उनका भी भर देना. And I'm like, what do you mean? She's like कि आप slip ले जाइए, अगर भरने दे तो आप भर देना. So that मैं वो 2 slip लेके गया अपना और वहाँ मम्मी का अंदर. Yeah. And then they're like कि अरे ये थोड़ी आप उनका नहीं भर सकते भैया, आप ऐसा क्या करो, इसका जेब में रख लीजिए, ले जाइए. I have it. It's at home, but I forgot to bring it today. But yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, so she's like, मम्मी का भी वोट डाल देना.
You're just further instilling confidence in in my
I'm just telling you what happened, bro.
Yeah.
That's what
so-
happened.
But I mean, they didn't let you put your mom's vote, right?
No, outside they
Yeah.
encouraged me, inside they didn't let me. So
Okay. So yeah.
democracy works.
Yeah.
It just depends on who's sitting inside, bro. If it was different, then you'd be fucking fine. What the fuck?
Bro, my dadi died in
Mention.
21, नहीं तो उनका भी होता. वो कहते थे उनका भी भरते.
Bro, अगर दिल्ली के इलेक्शन में भी घपले हो रहे हैं तो फिर तो we have no chance. The rest of the country is fucked.
Yeah.
You know. So hopefully, at least I would assume Delhi is pretty legit.
अबे but काफी EVM शीवीएम का भी तो आ रहा है already.
वो तो
ये-
हमेशा करते हैं.
हाँ तो फिर तो
तो उसमें क्या हो भाई?
ये एक वोट से तो फिर वैसे ही नहीं कुछ हो रहा.
हाँ.
एक ही वोट से कुछ नहीं हो रहा, वैसे ही नहीं कुछ हो रहा.
Because EVM का अगर कोई झोल मोल मच रहा है तो फिर
नहीं मच रहा, वो हमेशा नाटक करते हैं.
नहीं यार मच रहे हैं.
What? It's just because BJP probably realizes they're not going to win as much as they think they will. 400 पार भूल जाओ भाई.
एक
400
दो
तो नहीं होगा नहीं, but you're talking about you're saying that BJP is rigging the EVMs. Is that what you're saying? Is that the allegation here? Allegedly.
Guys,
I'm asking. I'm
Yes.
saying allegedly.
Yes.
Right. Allegedly. Oh, interesting. I don't know. I haven't
I've
come
read
across
1-2 reports. I didn't read it.
this. Reports or articles.
Written media content.
Go
yeah,
on.
brilliant.
Go on.
नहीं just an allegation.
अच्छा, interesting. Well,
I mean, I try not to.
Google
doubt it,
करोगे
bro.
particular वाला मिल जाएगा.
Ignorance is bliss. मैं तो बस
ये
शांति
भी
से
पढ़ा
सो जाता
था
हूँ कि
मैंने
भाई हम-
last pod के पहले पढ़ा था वो भी. We just didn't discuss anything so.
interesting. Yeah, sure.
I don't worry about these things.
Yeah.
और ये election commission का भी तो shady scene है थोड़ा.
Yeah. Government organization है ना.
Hmm.
तो कुछ तो घपले कर रहे हैं वो.
हाँ. कोई ना कोई तो कर रहा है.
Is that?
सभी तो कर रहे हैं.
Commissioner का भी तो
Do you have any
वो बंदा-
specific
हाँ वो
complaints or resistance election commission पे तो कर रहे हैं? क्या कर रहे हैं भाई?
अरे वो they even removed that commissioner who was commissioner हटाया था और फिर अपना बंदा डाला था, कुछ किया था उन्होंने just before कोई फिर rule pass कराया था campaigning का
The
कुछ
election
था.
commissioner has been the same guy, I believe, for a while, and I think उसकी change के बारे में what?
No,
Is that
no,
what you're talking about?
वहाँ कुछ change हुआ था. It's not been.
No, he hasn't. I don't think they've changed so far.
कुछ हुआ है यार election commission के साथ.
Good, nice यार. कुछ vague
कुछ तो
assertion.
हुआ है यार.
कुछ तो हुआ है यार. कुछ
हुआ
तो
था.
है.
I love it.
कुछ
I
तो
love.
हुआ है,
Yeah, this actually you are the ideal informed
दो
conscious
चार
voter.
दिन से
You are the
लगा
youth. You are the
है,
future of this country actually.
सब
Very
कुछ
much so.
अलग है।
Guys, look, exhibit A of a privileged South Delhi chutia who has no clue what the fuck he's doing.
मैं
at
पढ़ना
the
शुरू
booth.
करूंगा, ठीक है थोड़ा।
But
I'm
at
not-
least he's voting, bro. You are worse than him.
No, I realize the futility. Of,
What you
तो
think?
फ्यूटिलिटी तो मैंने भी रियलाइज किया अपने उसमें।
yeah,
But you
why should I
voted
waste my
too.
time? Dude, that's like 3 years of my life.
You have
gone.
no idea what you're doing, but at least you voted.
That's useless.
Better than just sitting at home and making comments and doing nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
Bro, just focus on your business and you're good. That's it. That's literally what
हाँ,
it
so
is.
that
हाँ,
also.
so then it's pointless. ना क्या करूँगा मैं?
I just feel like I'm making a difference.
That's cute.
I feel like that.
You're a sweet boy.
Yeah.
You get to grow up to the harsh realities.
Your life doesn't matter.
Your vote doesn't. I mean, yeah. Your life doesn't matter either, actually.
In the grand scheme of things,
Yeah.
none of us matter.
In the scheme of my life, really,
Yeah.
from my point of view.
क्या मैटर चल रहा है?
हम बस बोले कि
Thank
तू
you.
कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ, उसके आगे भी तो बढ़ो।
नहीं.
ओके।
तू करना कुछ. तू क्या करेगा? तू सुना.
मैं सुनाऊं?
आजकल 2 दिन मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे.
एक स्टोरी सुनाऊं, PTSD ना हो जाए तुम्हें।
सुना दे यार.
तो एक 17 साल के लड़के ने
हो गया
पुणे
PTSD।
में 2 IT प्रोफेशनल्स को उड़ा दिया अपनी गाड़ी से, अपनी पोर्श से।
अरे यार ये पुणे वाली कहानी है. ऐसा ना हो. This
Yeah.
is some young, some rich fellow's son
Yeah.
who just was out.
And then they
yeah.
then they paid the hospital to tamper his blood samples. Then they kidnapped his own driver because he was going to tell on them.
Nice.
Kidnapped.
Well, I mean,
And
like,
then his wife was like, his wife told the cops or something like that.
hey man,
So,
family comes first.
Yeah. And his dada was also, now like found out that he
तुझे
like,
क्या लगता है अगर तेरे बेटे ने ये कर दिया होता, तूने उसको पोर्श दिए होते, तूने उसको उसके बर्थडे पे 2-3 करोड़ दिए होते.
मैं किडनैप तो नहीं करता ना मैं. I would obviously ये तो
So he's got some issues with some details, but on the
Right.
whole, directionally, yeah, you would have done the
but
same thing.
here's the thing, bro. Obviously, I would have done probably the same things, but so I'm not judging him.
Hmm.
I'm just telling you all this. They got caught for it. I wouldn't get caught.
Right. That's the fuck up.
So you are
That's
judging
the
him.
fuck up.
That's always the fuck up.
Yeah. And ideally now what
You're only a
now
criminal if you
because
get caught. That's always
now
the fuck
it's
up.
like a
That's the
media.
ethically wrong thing to get caught.
Now it's a
Absolute
media
bro.
case.
Yeah.
So now to no amount of money will save him.
I'm sure the dad is also implicated because of
Now because he committed crimes to save his son, na.
yeah.
And then अब तो वो पूरी हिस्ट्री निकाल रहे हैं उसकी पूरी फैमिली की.
Hmm.
इसकी दादा ने हिटमैन हायर करा था जो 1970 में या some shit like that.
Very cool. That was a cool ass family.
Pretty cool family.
Cool family.
I mean
bro.
the 17 was driving
Dada
a
is
Porsche.
also pimping out, you know.
Yeah.
Dad is like buying a fucking Porsche. The kid is fuck yeah, I'm done with high school. by the
These
way.
guys are lit.
It's not even. He's not even graduated college.
Yeah.
It's high school. He's 18 or something, right?
Yeah, but he's kind of an idiot
They're
who
ba-
crashes.
They're balling, man. Who crashes? You've crashed. I've crashed. What the fuck are you saying?
Also
Yeah.
kind of idiot.
Yeah. So he's an 18-year-old dude, drunk as fuck, just out of high school, thinks he's the fucking,
Yeah.
at the top of the world, driving a Porsche. Yes, sure. He milked some poors. Who cares? He milked some poors. The fuck up is his dad.
He's the next Salman
Not
Khan, bro.
competent.
I mean, yeah, ये होता तो बहुत है.
His dad needed John Donovan. ये उसका क्या है उसका Indian version भी नहीं आया ना Rana Naidu. Have you seen that TV show? Yeah, I tried watching it. I couldn't do it because I've never even seen John Donovan or whatever the fuck it is.
So what about it?
Anyway, it's the Indian version of that show. That guy's a fixer.
Seen neither, heard of neither.
You haven't heard of John Donovan? Is it John
The
Donovan?
Fixer.
Yeah, he's a fixer. He'll come, he'll sort your mess.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You need
yeah.
one of those fuckers. So उसकी connections weak थे होंगे. John Donovan है क्या?
These arms are very Optimus Prime, huh?
Yeah.
I love it.
Hmm.
It's better, right?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't have my legs are there's not a stand in my way.
Have you
and
noticed-
he is not fucking moving around so much, so he doesn't
you
kick my fucking
noticed
stand.
मैं
all
आज
the fucking
Ray
time.
Donovan, sorry, Ray Donovan.
Oh.
Ray Donovan.
Have you noticed आज कितने तमीज से बैठा हूँ?
Yeah, because you broke the
Yeah, because I
chair.
instructed you to do that.
But
But you complied with the instructions?
yeah.
Okay, so you have... Okay.
Do I always comply with instructions? Do I?
I guess the bar is so low that,
Do I?
that yes you must get a pat on the back
Do
for,
I?
for doing the bare minimum.
Hey.
Yeah.
I saluted. I सबकी energy down. Actually, so I slept for 3 hours from 10 a.m. to like 1:30 today. That's it.
Mm.
There was a. Why?
Well, Vidar and I and they just got up to some
Right.
Oh wow.
Sports.
some sports.
Right on.
Yeah,
Good, good, good.
Brilliant.
some hill climbs.
Right.
Ouch.
Yikes.
Little Arctic Circle.
Yeah.
The Arctic Circle in here with how cold
But
he keeps
you
it
know, but the
fucking-
residual stimulation I got so much done today.
Nice.
I was still so pumped when I woke
Every
up.
day,
Like, okay,
hustling.
Yeah.
yeah,
Hustle. Yeah, get it. Grind.
grind, hustle, grind. तुम लोग नहीं बोलते कल्ले क्या बोलते हैं hustle grind को क्या बोलते हैं वो लोग?
What do you all say in the hood?
Stepping on it,
Grind is like to grind.
grinding.
Yeah, but it can mean both.
और कुछ बता.
Context की बात होती है.
Give me some more adjectives. Adjectives नहीं है. This is an
You're
adverb.
putting me on the spot. Naturally आते हैं मेरे को.
Adjectives or adverbs?
Adverb. It's an adverb.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, so this whole Pune case I've been really into. Following.
Clearly.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? For the
Because there's
gossip
so much
potential.
goss about this family, bro. It's like such a family right
Do
out of the
you
movie. Like a
consume this while
mobster.
filing your nails and stuff?
It's like a
oh my
mobster
god,
family,
no,
bro.
he didn't.
Making his French
तू ऐसे अपने nails
tips.
file करते करते सीखता है.
तो अपने French
Yeah,
tips,
sometimes I'm really fun.
French tips बनाते हुए.
Oh my
Don't have French
god.
Why don't you have French tips, bro?
You have French tips.
What are
You're
French
fucking
tips?
weird.
Explain.
Huh?
What are French tips?
What do you have?
Thanks.
Can you give a more of a description, a physical description of what the characteristics of a nail that has a French tip would?
Yeah, it's like it's an extended nail that extends beyond your finger, and it's the part that extends beyond your finger is white.
Oh right, a French manicure बोलते हैं ना उसे.
Yeah.
French tips तो नहीं बोलते. French manicure बोलते हैं.
That they're called tips.
French tips also. Is that from the hood?
Everyone
French
has
tips.
the white, Baba.
That's just what I've
Everyone has
heard,
the
man.
white. Everyone has the white. The white is what you cut.
No, but so I believe there is a layer of lacquer applied onto the cuticle protruding from outside your finger. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
And I think there's like just a gloss on the main body. Right?
Yeah. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's glossed up and whatever.
Yeah, gloss and like a little bit of a white paint.
And I think they can also be like plastic. Valet.
Fuck.
So then
Oh, those fake extensions.
most nails
Have you seen
are
those ladies?
that
Because
only.
so one of my friends,
Most
she'd
nails
always
are
get
like
these
that.
extensions, and when she's typing, na, so because you can't touch the
Oh
tips,
yeah, tick
so
tick
she-
tick tick tick.
You know how they type? They type like this.
I know. I've seen.
Yeah.
तू खुद भी करता है.
Nah, I
Your
never
mother does
have,
it probably.
Never have long nails. No, my mom has natural nails.
Right.
She doesn't have plastic nails.
It's a very new age thing to have these.
Plastic nails,
Plastic,
yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's only
They have fucking
If-
clip-ons also. I've seen. Type.
Clip on?
Well, I don't know. So there's a friend of mine. A friend of mine once I saw.
वो चिमटे लगा रखे था ना हर उंगली
I don't know what-
चिमटे.
Because this friend of mine once.
Edward Scissorhands.
friend of mine once club से वापस आए. She's literally बात करते हुए she's pulling her nails off like that.
yeah. So do you know what a clip-on is?
I don't know. So what the fuck is those?
They're stuck on there.
They're
dude.
stuck. They're stuck.
Yeah.
They're temporary. There's an adhesive.
Ha ha.
Clip.
Clip ही होता है, bro. It's-
Ha ha.
I
Don't
mean, I
touch
guess
me. Don't be touching me, bro.
You could
Yeah,
have said
sorry.
snap on, I guess. Snap on I would have taken.
Whatever it is, man.
Shit.
Oh,
Now next
well,
time I touch you.
This whole podcast is me being pedantic
Dude,
about language. This is just the
We're
vibe
talking
today.
about female nails, bro. What is this turned into?
Yeah. No, but there's an overarching theme.
What is the theme?
I'm being
Language.
pedantic about language.
Then giggling. It's the funniest thing to him right now.
Yeah. He'll find anything funny tonight. to
That's
do.
not true.
No,
He's wired.
incorrect.
I wish.
he wishes I would laugh at his jokes. I do.
Yeah.
At some of them I laugh.
Yeah.
How nice of you.
Yeah. Well, if
Right?
Funny. I
How
laugh, man.
how charitable.
Wow.
Other synonyms.
मैं अपनी क्या हंसियां बांटने हैं यहाँ पे मुफ्त
How
की.
generous.
You'll get it if you deserve it, bro.
I've been watching a lot of crime videos on YouTube.
What's up with that?
He's
No,
planning
I'm just
after
really
Pune.
into it. I've been watching. I don't know if you remember,
Is
but
your Porsche coming soon?
you remember who Jessica Lal was?
Of
हाँ,
course.
Of course.
How can
So,
you forget?
उसकी movie आई थी ना, No One
No One
Killed
Killed
Jessica.
Jessica.
her sister was in a group that like my mom also was in, kind of. So and then she got like she fought the case whatever for so many years, and then she got drunk, and turned into an alcoholic and got fat, and
Yeah, my dad
my
knows the
mom was
lawyers
helping
who
her lose the
represented
weight and shit like that.
her. No, that's sorry. The other family, Talwar family.
क्या नाम था?
What about them?
What about them?
Talwar family के lawyers I believe my parents are acquainted with.
Bro, how the hell the Talwar case is the most insane case ever, because Jessica Lal ke time pe we were quite young, right? But during the
Talwar is nuts. Yeah.
Arushi Talwar case, she was our age pretty much, right?
She
like-
was 14 at the time, I think.
and I think
There was just
we
older.
were the same age, right?
We were a little younger.
Little bit, but basically the same age. Basically
Nearabouts.
the same age.
Yeah.
And that case like really affected me, because I I just thought of her as somebody like could have been in my class, kind of.
Yeah.
एंड तो हमारे घर पे बहुत डिस्कशन होती थी उस केस के बारे में, एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली में डिस्कशन होती थी ब्रो, डिनर टेबल पे बैठ के भाई 2-2 घंटे बस आरुषि तलवार के केस की बातें होती थी. एंड इन माय ओपिनियन देयर इज नो अदर possible
Explanation that the
explanation
parents did it.
other than the dad did it. And the fact that he got acquitted is ridiculous to me.
Good
How
lawyer.
does that work?
Good,
when
good
everything-
lawyers.
The
they-
defense, yeah, exactly. Defense.
It's like the OJ case, bro. Like, how the hell did he get away with that?
But this happens often.
So where the hell did those? So what is
Yeah,
the
it's-
conclusion?
no,
Where did
the-
those
the-
bodies come from? कहाँ से भाई?
Arushi,
आसमान से?
देख यार,
Hemraj,
अब because क्या होता है?
Murder suicide.
Yeah, it's about
That was
you
the-
make a judgment. Now, this judgment is the closest approximation to what feels right to that judge, right? And now it's not an accurate science. It's
I mean,
not
there's nobody left
it's
alive
just
to
not a
appeal.
hard science.
There's nobody left alive to appeal. Also, like it's, you know what I mean?
So the
They
law.
they just got away with it.
Listen, the law and justice can be two very different things.
Yes.
Yeah. But so anyway, my mom, I remember, would be like, नहीं करा इन्होंने. Like she never believed that the dad did it, and we used to argue because I was like, इसी और किसने करा है भाई, और किसने करा है, दोनों मर गए. Hello.
कोर्ट ने क्या बोला, किसने करा है?
He got acquitted. I don't know किसने करा है. I don't know what.
Knocker-
I think
Knocker was involved, right?
factually it
I think
was
they say murder
inconclusive.
suicide, na?
I think it might have been inconclusive, even that there's just they couldn't
They
determine
can do that.
exact.
Just leave the case
you
in
can't.
unsolved.
Of course, you just
And the parents don't want any discourse
an
beyond
acquittal.
that.
An acquittal is
Oh,
just
we never
what
found
you
the
can't
killer. No
prove.
problem.
An acquittal is what you can't prove guilt for now.
In like a murder prosecution, the defense loves to have a potential criminal, like someone who could be who you could
Yes, pin it on.
posit as a potential suspect. So it might have been part of the defense strategy, but now it's up to the police to then,
The police arrested a bunch of people, bro.
yes.
That
Assess
Hemraj
them
was,
as a-
that
as a
Hemraj
viable-
would like drink with. अब मेरे को सब वापस याद आ
Hemraj
रहा
was
है.
dead, bro. Hemraj.
Hemraj would drink with some people, na.
हेमराज कौन है भाई?
The servant in the house who died.
तुम
No,
लोग का नाम और
it
सब
was
पता है?
both. Of the,
Dude, this case was sensational.
yeah.
Like, I followed it religiously.
I never cared about these things somehow.
This had a huge impact on me because we were like 12, 13, and Arushi just seemed like a friend. Could have been a friend of mine.
Right on.
So
Not of yours, definitely. तेरे से थोड़ी बात
right,
करेगी
right,
लड़कियाँ.
मुझसे तो और से बातें
She was
करती.
pops, bro. She was all over the country. Yeah. No,
Yeah. So what was I saying? So they arrested a bunch of.
You had a crush on her, didn't you?
I think so.
That might have been it.
You've always been a bit of a slut like that, no? Every week, 10 days, somebody
वो
new.
इंटरनेट वो टीवी पे किसी को देख लिया, अरे इतनी
Probably,
सुंदर लड़की.
probably.
Jesus
हाँ,
Christ.
yeah.
Probably. I mean, I never like.
That would explain it, really.
Yeah, that would make sense. But I really was into this case.
This
Uh,
case.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This piece. I was into this piece.
This item.
No, I never got
piece
the
of
chance.
Item.
He's like, damn, man, I'm never gonna be able to tap that ass now.
Never gonna. Make
Damn,
it.
bro, Arushi.
Older woman missed out.
Damn, Arushi, I wish I had your high five back in the day.
Damn, Arushi, I miss you too, she.
Okay, relax, bro. She was 13.
14.
Well,
Yeah.
you're also
Older
that
than
age,
you
na?
at the time.
See,
These
you're
are your
allowed-
fantasies.
You're
you
allowed to be
dirty
a pedophile
pervert.
if you're a child yourself.
Huh?
You're allowed to be a pedophile if you're a child yourself.
You're not.
If you're a child yourself,
If you're a child yourself.
if
right.
you're
But if you're younger
But
than the
then you're not a
person, it's not.
pedophile.
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying,
Anyway,
na?
whatever.
Well,
Well,
by strict
technically,
definition, yes.
Technically, you are a
such
pedophile.
strange.
Even
I-
children
I was
making out
the
are pedophiles,
point- guys, stop it. I was making the point.
you should
कि-
tell the kids who are pedophiles.
Yeah, they should stop it.
They should stop it.
What? So are we going to be labeling kids as minor attracted persons now? I mean, is that the case?
Maps, eh?
Maps, yeah. They're
Like
the kids are maps now.
They're all these kids.
This
be,
fucking Gen Z, bro. All these kids are
all these
maps.
kids be Drake, bro. All these kids are fucking Drake,
The wrong icon.
right?
Yeah.
This is the degeneration of a culture.
Absolutely.
Men like Kendrick are set aside. Anyway,
और कौन से बड़े बड़े केस हुए थे bro जब हम बच्चे थे?
Why you want us to sexualize those subjects too?
But you can't help yourself, guys.
Nirbhaya, but we can't do it.
Oh
There's
my
no way to
God,
there's
dude.
no way to make that happen. Okay?
I will
Okay,
not do
I don't even want to talk
Yeah.
about that.
There's no way to make that happen.
No.
I don't want to talk about it.
We're not doing it.
I
That's
don't
exactly.
trust you guys.
Talk about an assassination or something.
Yeah,
Those are
wasn't there-
generally like
Wasn't there some case
just a
जिसमें
cold-blooded murder. We can
Who-
just,
who's-
you know.
But
Who?
who?
Kennedy? Yeah,
Ken-
something. That's a nice
Something. It's got to be close to home.
Okay.
wasn't there some case? I'm thinking of like for my childhood because
How are suicides? Are we
wasn't there
good with
some case
suicides? I
जिसमें
have one
किसी
in mind.
घर के
Let's go.
अंदर या किसी के घर के बगल की नाली में बॉडी मिली थी. You guys know what I'm talking about?
नहीं घर के अंदर
I hear the
It was like
crickets,
a
bro.
murder house. It was like a murder. अब मेरे को याद नहीं है so.
murder house.
Yeah, dude, there was like a multiple murders inside that house and वो नाली में फेंकता था.
Can you pass me a tissue, please?
I have an example we can use and be terrible people.
No, don't.
Yes.
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yeah. Damn man. But Riya Chakraborty, what a piece, huh?
Oh, absolutely. A
Yeah.
poor girl, bro. Shit
Yeah,
that
exactly.
she went through for fucking
Yeah.
just because some ganja or some shit, like fucking
Yeah, you
God.
would know the struggle, right?
bro. I get that girl.
Yeah, you relate.
पर वो बंगाली है सोच के
काला जादू कर
काला-
देगी bro मेरे पे कोई बात
उसने हो
नहीं.
सकता है काला जादू करा ही हो उस पे सुशांत पे
Mm,
बंगालन ने
बेचारा.
तो सही कह रहे
जाल
थे
में
हाँ?
Evil.
जाल
सही
में
कह
फंस
रहे थे
गया.
that was a fun case because this was during the pandemic that it happened, so everyone was fucking all over it.
Yeah.
या अब किसी को काम धंधा
Fun item.
वो बोल रहे थे ये देखो रिया चक्रवर्ती कैसे इंटरव्यू के लिए व्हाइट सूट में पहन के you know she's changing her
Whoa.
image and stuff and I'm like what the fuck are you saying man her boyfriend died and you're making a whole thing about it you know this is so fucking stupid people have nothing to do
Yeah, they didn't. You guys are all fucking locked
They
down.
just harassed the shit out
harass
of
the
her.
shit out of this fucking beautiful lady
Yeah, bro.
beautiful lady
You can't do that
you know
to.
what yeah you do it to some
That's so-
ugly bitch
Yeah.
do it to some
Totally.
fatty
Some
yeah
fucking
some fatty
some fucking 10 moles on her face. Yeah, have a crack.
someone
bro,
with a fucking
like,
deep voice someone with like hair lip
Yeah.
yes go for it
Go for it.
Demolish-
Even do it to a man.
demolish her
Yeah.
her already low self-esteem demolish whatever's left of it
But
okay
yeah. But don't pluck.
but some beautiful girl
Don't pluck the
who's
flowers.
who's
Yeah.
already like listen man I could settle down with some rich businessman right now if I wanted to
Yeah.
don't give a shit she's got
That's crazy.
she's got a tough luck of the draw man
That's crazy.
God, how can we save these women? Only these ones though. By the way.
yeah
Yeah.
yeah
Go ahead, bro. They need you.
Hmm.
Fuck the fatties.
Yeah.
Don't fuck the fatties actually. But yeah.
और कुछ नया देख रहे हो कुछ मजेदार टीवी वगैरह पे
No. Still watching Mindhunter.
right on
Season 2 though.
yeah I haven't seen season 2 I only saw the first one because there was such a long gap I think I just like I wasn't aware when the second one came out
No.
second one there was a gap right
I don't know. I'm just.
have you
I'm
seen it
watching.
नहीं तूने नहीं देखा और तू क्या देख रहा है आजकल क्रिकेट वायलेंस के वीडियोस देख रहा था तू
Violence.
Crime.
I was
Violence.
watching
Violence.
a lot of crime videos. Yes.
और नया कुछ बता ताजा
क्या प्लान कर रहा है?
I was watching.
किस चीज की रिसर्च हो रही है भाई
I was watching people
Checking.
like,
You must be
losing it
informed
in
on competition in the industry, no? In your field research, industry research, yeah.
I was looking at court like outbursts.
Mm.
Oh wow.
You gotta learn from the errors.
So
that
you've been
others
checking
have-
out the Sunny Deol? Tariq pe Tariq pe Tariq pe Tariq. Yeah. There's a Govinda one also, insane one, and क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता. It's a good one.
I've only seen the one Tariq pe Tariq.
So this is your research.
No, I mean I was
You've
watching
seen
like
others.
real life court.
Oh.
Yeah, what do you think? I was just looking up scenes from movies.
Far be it from you, eh?
In fact, I
know.
did do that.
There we
I was
go.
watching scenes from Sholay.
There we go.
Are you Samba?
कितने आदमी थे?
Sardar 3.
दो? दो थे बहनचोद, तीन
हाँ, दो
थे।
Sorry, वो 3 थे.
Orange juice crisis prompts search for alternative fruits.
Fruits are bad for you.
OJ always fucking shit up, bro.
Bad weather and disease in Brazil have pushed futures prices to a record high.
Oh no, बेचारा Neymar.
फ्रूट से याद आया. So by the way, मैंने बड़े धूमधाम से अपना डाइट शुरू करी थी at the start of the year.
Yes.
अपना animal diet.
Yes.
Are you back?
No, he's
No.
fucking. He left that ship when Ramadan के time ना. उसने सब छोड़ दिया.
Yes. So basically
ठीक
what
है?
happened?
रोज बिरयानी पेल रहा था, whatever it was.
So
And then
basically what
after that,
happened,
he's like, I'm not going back to that.
नहीं, I followed it during Ramazan.
अच्छा.
After Ramazan, ईद हुई. अब ईद पे तो खाना खाऊंगा ना मैं, क्या मतलब ईद पे तो मजे लूंगा. And उसके बाद it's been a bit downhill. But अभी recently for the last few weeks, I got back on track. But this time I'm not doing Saladino's animal based. I'm doing full carnivore.
What?
Yes, full carnivore.
Oh
I eat
god.
eggs, butter, sardines, and buff.
I'm gonna have
That's all I
sardines
eat.
tonight. I'm gonna have sardines.
And ghee.
tonight.
Sardines are
What
so
about
easy.
lamb?
Hmm?
Lamb?
I'm not having lamb, but I could. Any ruminant red meat. But yeah, it's actually
As long as you're happy, I personally find these extreme limited diets not
Extremely
sustainable.
limited.
Not sustainable.
yeah, it's not sustainable for me also.
तो फिर वो तो my
But I feel healthy, and I feel my
Yeah, I mean, I
I feel
guess-
like my gut's great.
So, I don't know-
I never feel bloated.
Do you know that guy, that Dr. Paul Attia?
Yes.
Peter Attia.
Peter
Peter
Attia, yeah. I know.
So
I saw
Peter-
him on Human.
Ball
Miller.
में दिया?
Peter Attia is really good, and I follow his. I've been listening to his Drive podcast. For
But he doesn't talk about a
4-ish
specific
years.
diet though.
So may I complete my point?
Huh.
So, but every year he does 30 days. He does keto and stuff. So maybe it could be one of those things where to cleanse your body or to get to like a healthy place, you could do it once every 2 months or 1 month or whatever the fuck, right?
yeah.
So he does that because yeah.
Dude, everyone's different, So
Yeah.
if you feel great eating
Yeah.
whatever the fuck you're eating, then keep eating it.
Unless it's vegetarian food.
When I eat vegetables, I feel like shit. When I eat bread, I feel like crap.
Vegetables suck.
When I eat fruits, I feel fine. But abhi I've got rid of them because I'm trying to see how the low carb thing will work for me. But I could definitely add fruits back.
Fruits
Yeah.
are cool.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind also. I love mangoes and stuff. But abhi
I'm
I'm
now
doing carnivore just because मेरे दिमाग में ये डाल दिया है कि your body doesn't need carbs to function.
So it's
मेरे भी
like
दिमाग में घुस चुकी है. That's a problem.
Yeah.
Because I was keto for like 2 years.
So now I'm like, if I don't need them, then I'm not going to have them. Yeah.
It'll come back with a vengeance, buddy.
Yeah,
It comes back with a vengeance.
you
That's the
become a
fucking
fucking
problem.
vegetarian. Fucking tree hugger you'll be.
No, I just.
We'll see you standing with Greta with your posters.
What?
Huh?
Me trigger? No.
Yeah, you'll go
I don't care enough.
completely anti-meat.
What do you mean? Why would I do that?
I don't know. You're a man of extreme.
Animals are more sustainable, bro, for the environment
Damn.
than your plant-based bull crap, your vegan bullshit, your Starbucks fucking mochiato.
Starbucks का तो मुझे पता नहीं, but yes, factory farming is not the best.
Yeah, all my meat is sustainably raised. Dude, sardines, fucking canned sardines.
Yeah.
Nivaki, the
Sustainable.
I'm
fashionable.
gonna
Unlike-
have that for dinner tonight
Unlike
also.
people who eat fucking salmon and shit. Raised in fucking pig pens. And then all my the buffalo is also most likely
Free range.
Free range. I mean in India
Oh, yeah.
I would assume so, but I really don't know. And then the eggs are farm raised as well. And they have a vegetarian diet, but it is what it is. Natural diet. No grain, not grain fed.
Okay.
And I get the best ghee in the
The
world.
eggs are raised. The
FT
chickens
magazine.
are raised.
Why won't my coffee shop play Taylor Swift? But he starts
Why
studying the
not?
secret codes of
What is your
background
problem with
music.
Taylor Swift? I don't understand.
I'm reading a fucking article, man.
Why?
Because the diet shit is boring.
Okay. I'm just talking.
I try to make a joke in between, but it
Fuck your jokes, man.
Somebody has been playing
Somebody
Balkan
listen to me
heavy
talk.
metal in the cafe. The culprit's identity remains a mystery.
Nice.
But let's just say that our 6'2" Bosnian barista seems sheepish. Man, some
It's
broad
fuck-
complaining but not listening to Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift can fucking eat my ass.
I don't think
Taylor
she
Swift,
would.
do you want to eat my?
I think you're dreaming too big for your boots.
Well, I'm challenging her. Taylor Swift,
Yeah.
I challenge you to eat my ass, bro. I don't think you can.
Challenge.
I challenge you.
I don't think she wants
Aren't
to.
you a strong, independent woman, dude? You think you're gonna stand up to the challenge by some brown man?
Would you
Some fucking Indian-
let
some
someone
fuck-
eat your ass?
Sure, if it's Taylor Swift, man, buddy.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, just for
Yes,
the,
I'll do it.
Just for
I'll
the
do it.
memes.
For Taylor Swift, I'll do it, man.
At
And
least.
it's the whole idea of it. Would you eat ass?
I have eaten ass. What the fuck are you saying, dude?
Oh,
Yeah, you gotta clean it up first, but yeah, sure.
wow, so weird.
I can't.
I thought you're very vanilla.
At least not
We've
yet.
established this.
It's not about vanilla. You're just dirty as fuck.
Yes, I'm literally am dirty.
You're a dirty.
I'm dirty. I'm a dirty
fucker.
freak. It's just what it is.
Licking someone's ass is
Is a
crazy.
dirty fuck.
Do you fucking
Taylor Swift has
Stick
challenged
your-
you to be a freak.
do you stick your tongue in there? Like,
Yeah,
how do
girl.
you do it? Do you like just
Yeah.
kiss it or what?
It depends.
Do you just?
Like I don't know. I'm asking
It depends.
You gotta get your tongue in there if you're eating.
because it's like a
कोई दांत से थोड़ी उसको रगड़ेगा क्या करेगा?
Depends.
assholes also look like this only.
Bro,
पकड़ ले.
ऐसे कोई step by step instructions नहीं होती. तो जैसे
What
जो
did
मन
you
कर-
do? I'm asking you. You're
When?
the
Which
ass
time?
eater.
Which time? Sure. Sometimes I stuck my ass. My ass in her ass. Sometimes I stick my own ass.
Damn, you
No.
stuck your tongue inside.
Yeah.
That's whack.
You gotta
That's
clean it
what
up
eating
first.
ass is.
Yeah, you gotta clean up first, and then you're good. What when you fuck you do anal, you do the yeah.
Never done that either.
Oh damn.
Really?
What the, wow.
Never done anal.
Why?
I'm not into it.
He's vanilla. Just don't ask these fucking redundant questions.
what do you?
He's vanilla as
Not
fuck.
into it.
That even a lot of vanilla guys have tried.
Yeah, you gotta at
it.
least try. I
You
mean,
know?
like, no, you don't have to.
I
Sure.
don't need.
It's-
I don't want
bro,
to.
sex is so.
I'm
Yeah,
good.
sure,
Yeah.
exactly. Yes, yeah, of course, man. If it doesn't, if it's not for you, then it's not for you.
You're like
But
what?
like, just don't impose an objective standard of what is,
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
I'm
You
not
like
judging
a-
you. I'm just saying to
Yeah.
me that's disgusting.
you like a
That's
nun
fine.
or
I'm just having a knee-jerk reaction.
you like
yeah,
a
yeah, I get it. I get
you
it.
like a nun or something missionary and go home. What do you?
I just stick it in the
Nahi, bro, they start
in
making
the
out.
place it's supposed to
They
go,
start,
bro.
making out. She takes her pants off.
He
busts.
jizzes in his pants.
He busts. Then
Bye,
she's like, bye. Good night. Yeah.
I'll drive you home.
Then they sit and watch a movie together.
Dude, the ass is for excretions, not insertions.
You don't know that.
That naturally, yes, I
If,
don't know
if,
that.
if the pussy can do both, why can't the ass?
Unless you're a fucking drug mule,
Yeah.
nothing needs to go up there.
Thermometers करते थे. Those used to go up there.
What करते थे?
Thermometers. whatever.
हाँ, एनिमा
Temperature
भी
used to be
होता
लिखे
है.
ना.
मेरे को तो
हाँ.
मेडिकल प्रोसीजर है ना, तो कौन सा मेडिकल प्रोसीजर कर रहा है अपनी जबान से?
You're thinking about
Anyway,
it
I think
now.
humans have evolved past their evolutionary limitations, where they can, do things that might not be just according to accordance with nature, but they do them because there's sensory pleasure
can-
and other things
yeah.
associated with them.
Things are designed for things,
That's
but
what
can
it
be
is.
used for other things too.
So do you prefer it?
No, I prefer pussy.
So then why would you choose it?
It's fun. It's a change. It's a change of pace. It's like spice it up.
Okay,
It's a different
okay.
experience.
Yeah.
Oh, you put a butt plug in. You get it nice and loose. You get some. Yeah.
I'm happy with sex. I'm fine with it.
Yeah.
The
It's
way
all
it is.
sex.
That is also, by the way, sex. It's called anal sex.
Yeah.
The fuck? You're happy with pussy. It's good.
Yeah,
Good,
I
you
don't
man.
need
Yeah,
the-
you're a simple
Yeah,
man. You're a simple
and you're
man.
drowning in it, so we're
Yes.
good.
Yeah.
I'm not. You are.
You're a simple man, bro.
Which
It's
I don't.
fine.
Life is unfair, bro.
Yes. Life is not supposed to be fair.
Yeah, but it's. Yeah.
Hey,
It's not
look,
supposed to be
nothing's
fair.
handed to you on a plate.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll get one of those little earphones
Acha.
so that I can keep him in my ear and he can tell me what to say to these girls. That just gets them to drop their pants whenever he's fucking.
Do you want
walking
a
around.
partner? Oh, partner. Do you want? ये चाहिए. You
मैं
need-
तीन
you need a-
तीन
you
इंच
need-
की heel खरीद लूंगा.
You need a Will Smith.
So I'm also 6'4".
You need yeah.
You're 6'1", otherwise?
Yeah, kind of. I'm like 185.
What are those called? Those are called platform shoes or like
183 is
risers
6,
or
no.
something. No,
183 is
So-
6'4".
because men get these
It's six.
custom
I'm
So
like
shoes.
you're probably-
184, 185.
So you're probably like 6 foot and half an inch, kind of. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
I say 6'1", but yeah.
ठीक है.
And with shoes, I'm
6'1".
more than that. Yeah, definitely 6'1", probably 6'2" with shoes. And then my boots, my big boy boots, my motorcycle boots.
How?
I'm like
how big?
probably 2 inches taller, so like 6'3" almost.
Okay.
Then that's cool.
Nice.
But nice, you're more taller than me. Still,
So what? Is only my height nice? Baki sabki titti hai.
6'4" is a quite a very
Oh, they're
nice
called
height.
elevator shoes.
I always thought it was a perfect
you
height.
just buy
when
some
I was a
elevator
kid.
shoes.
No, those are gay.
Those are gay as fuck.
The fuck?
Even when I was a kid, I also wanted to be 6'4".
I never aspired to a height.
No, because
No,
I
this
knew
is
I'd be past
Dude,
6.
I'll tell you the
we knew every man in my family, my mom's side and my dad's side.
हाँ तूने पिछली बार ही
All-
बोला था यार.
तो बस
We know
we
this.
knew.
हाँ, yes.
So I was
Yeah.
like, you think about it sometimes.
Yeah, I wanted when I was young. When I was young, I wanted to be 6 foot, and then I ended up 6 foot. So there might be some logic to this.
Okay, I take
What
back.
did
I
you-
take back my
I never had a
statement.
fucking thought in my mind about.
What height you want to
तब
end
तो
up
5
as?
में रह गया.
मेरे को तो हमेशा बोला
जो सोचते हैं ऊंचा जाते हैं बेटा.
हाँ तभी तो.
Yes, तू सोचता बहुत है actually. You're
तो
right.
सबसे ऊपर तो मैं ही गया हूँ. देख रहे.
I think height के लिए ना the best thing जो बच्चे कर सकते हैं is लटकना. मैं लटकता बहुत था.
Never did that shit.
You never लटकोड. So then just win the genetic lottery, guys. Forget what I'm saying.
Bro, we were scared of latkoing because
What
it's
is that supposed to mean?
कि बहुत ही लंबे हो जाएंगे. मेरा भाई तो हो गया. हाँ भाई. Facts. I mean, trajectory में समझ आ चुका
Scared
था.
of not going, they go to the monkey bar in the park. The feet are on the ground. They're like, "What the fuck am I doing here, man? Why am I walking up to 7, 8, 9, 10 में बस लटक सकता हूँ मैं वो भी तो 1 इंच का. Pancho.
Actually, the way I broke my arm when I was 4 years old was on the monkey bars.
Damn, breaking your arm
That
that
tracks.
sucks.
I went for this fat girl's birthday party and it was on Halloween, whatever. But they were all cutting the cake. I was like, damn, man, monkey bar pe jayega. And next thing I knew, I woke up. My dad was yelling at me in the car. My arm was on fire.
Yeah.
And yeah, it
Well,
was fun.
I've had one of those where I've just blacked
Yeah.
out and then woken up in the hospital.
Yeah.
Oh.
This car.
Oh right.
Oh.
I was 5 doing push-ups and I decided to do because my dad does
Clapping push-up.
because my dad would do his push-up routine every morning, so I'm pretty sure I saw him. And this one time, so I went to my grandmother's room. I put my feet on her bed, my hands on the table,
Oh, full in.
and then I did a
Oh.
push-up. Then I just my head went right
Why
into
the
the
floor
edge.
is lava?
my, my head went right into the edge of the table.
What was wrong with your floor?
Then I woke up Then I woke up in the hospital. Like, oh, stitches.
Hello,
He's like,
good morning.
this first is for the poors.
Yeah.
Hello, mummy, daddy. Hello, mummy, daddy. Ki karna pyasi?
Yeah.
I've never broken anything.
Never broken anything.
Except
either.
your
Just-
heart,
just this
baby.
one finger.
Except your heart.
Fuck.
No, but someone else broke that for him.
वो भी खुद नहीं कर पाया. Useless fucker.
Fuck.
Deep.
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है तो
Mm.
yeah.
Bye.
Do you guys know that your dick could break?
There's no bone inside the dick.
No,
But
dumbass.
you can fracture the
you
penis.
can
in a
fracture
way,
the
How
the
can
muscle.
you fracture it?
Like you bruise your muscle, like you sprain your muscle, so
So that's
you
not a
could-
fracture, na?
it's just break. It's a break. You're breaking your dick.
Okay,
Fracture
so
तो
you
बोला
can
नहीं मैंने,
bruise
fracture.
it.
Dick
you
break.
mean.
You can break your dick.
No, but then it'll go flaccid, na? Like if you're hard and you break it and then it goes back to.
Maybe it just heals at an angle. And then you're fucking like,
Captain Hook.
And it depends on what angle it is, and then you could
Hey,
come up with
what if
some
it
interesting-
what if it gets better?
Dude,
What do you
Reverse-
maybe fucking
reverse cowgirl would get really
Oh,
way
yeah.
better, because you'll have that angle, and then she can just do her thing
Oh, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
without a lot of
That's great, bro.
yeah.
But even my nose has looked better ever since my brother broke it 5 years ago.
You broke your nose.
My brother broke my
no
nose.
wonder.
Dekha?
You
Looks
can
good.
see na the little
It-
bump.
Looks good.
But it actually used to look shit, and it objectively looks better after.
Your
it
brother
got
should
Now
broken.
beat
you
you
look
up
more.
more.
You look more Jewish.
His brother should beat him up more.
He'd love to hear.
Viraj, please come beat the fuck out of him.
He'd love to hear you say that.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, your brother is a giant, bro.
that is true. Imagine if that fucker lutkoed.
Where would he let go, bro? सब टूट जाएगा.
Yeah.
दीवार टूट जाएगी.
वो बादल में लगा देगा
ये क्या है?
अच्छा भाई
50% off a free plug-in. अच्छा, okay.
किसी रेस्टोरेंट चलोगे?
आज?
आज नहीं नंद.
क्यों? आज क्या है?
But so we can do it, but I gotta get the lineup on first. Lineup done.
Line up
Lineup, then we can go grab a bite. But मेरे
हो गया ना
खाना
पॉडकास्ट
बनवा-
कितनी देर हो गई
हो गया है.
हाँ बंद करो
Yeah, it's been more, bro. 1.5
तभी
घंटा हो गया
मैंने
लगभग.
बाय बोल दिया था.
1.5 घंटा हो गया था, पता है?
मेरे को नहीं पता मेरे को भूख लगी है बट
Time flies when you're having a great time.
This was a very
I was
chill.
not.
This is like we all dropped, fucking ate some Xanax.
It's cool.
yeah
We should
don't
do,
reveal our secrets
We
bro.
should do that again.
Don't reveal all our secrets
No, it's nice, different vibe.
because I'm tired that's why
Good.
Same. 3 hours of sleep.
yeah
There's not a lot of energy.
I'm the same really.
You are
okay
the same.
done stop it